We are very, very much interested in the creation of Anioma State. But we are not interested in becoming part of Eastern Nigeria. I've advocated, and I will continue to advocate, that old Midwestern region, comprising today of Edo State and Delta, is big enough to become a region, to be split, to be divided into four. 2 states from present-day Delta, 2 states from present-day Edo State. Then we have 4 states in the old Midwestern region. All the colonial regions, whether Northern region, Eastern region, Western region, have been divided into many states. Only Midwestern has continued to have only 2. We are ripe enough to become a region comprising of 4 states, Delta divided into 2, Delta proper and Anioma, then Edo into 2. That has been my own advocacy. Any person representing on Senate henceforth is being challenged to go to National Assembly and advocate for the creation of Midwestern region or Midwestern zone to be made up of what? 4 states. While the other 4 South states in southeastern Nigeria will become coastal region. That is by the way.
That event was organized in Ejimaniogo Kingdom by Collins Iwebuno, a politician who happens to be one of Okowa's boys. The event took place on the 18th of April 2026. The man that spoke in that video is called Professor Nkem Onyekpe. He was invited to that event to speak in support of Ifeanyi Okowa, and he did as instructed. Professor Nkem Onyekpe is a professor of history in the University of Lagos State. He is an Ika man. What Professor Onyekpe said there is that Delta State and Edo State were known in the past as Midwestern region. Before Delta and Edo were known as Midwestern region, they were in Western region. They were zoned to Western region in 1939. And in 1963, they were zoned to Midwestern region. Then, in 1991, they were split into Edo States and Delta States. So this man here is saying that Edo State should be divided into 2 states, and for Delta State to be split into 2, which is Anioma State and Delta State. And after that, he said that any senator that we will have henceforth should go to the National Assembly and tell them that he wants them to create Midwestern region, and that Midwestern region should be made up of 4 states. Just look at what someone that called himself a professor is saying. He said that he don't want Anioma State to be zoned to the southeast. That he wants Anioma State to be in Midwestern region. He was called to that event to speak in support of Okowa. That event where they do so now against Anioma State creation, where Senator Ned Nwoko they clamor for. What he said here in this video is just small compared to other things that he said in the rest of the video. He just they talk they support Okowa. The person that called him to that event is a boy to Okowa. So now script where the right give him, now he they talk so. This same Professor Onyekpe said some time ago that Anioma people are Igbo people. He said that those Anioma people that are claiming Bini origin are not Bini people, that they are Igbo people that did reverse migration, that they are Igbo people that left Bini and came back to their brothers. Why is he now saying that Anioma State should not be zoned to the southeast? You talk say we Anioma people, say we be Igbo people. Now you dey talk say make Anioma State not join southeast. We are Igbo people, but let us stay separate from our brothers in the southeast. It makes sense? No. They call themselves professors, but they have nothing in their brain. Political professors. Professors where truth not dey their mouth. He thought say we Anioma people na Igbo people. BBC News carry the news. Why is he now speaking against the southeast zoning of Anioma State? They don't give our money, shut up your mouth. Senator Ned Nwoko have paid so much sacrifice to make sure that Anioma State is being created and zoned to the southeast. Senator Ned Nwoko have lobbied so many senators in Nigeria, and 97 senators in Nigeria supported Anioma State creation and the southeast zoning. Out of 109 senators we get for Nigeria, 97 senators support Anioma State creation. In 1938, our traditional rulers in Anioma land, the Obi of Abo, the Obi of Iseluku, the Obi of Abo, the Obi of Idumujuboko, the Asaba of Asaba, they were clamoring for we Anioma people to join our brothers in Eastern region. They said that we Anioma people are Igbo people. That time, the name Anioma have not come into existence. And that is in 1938. They said that they want to join their brothers in the East. That they are not one people with Yoruba people. Western region is known as Yoruba land. And our royal fathers are saying that they want to join Eastern region. And in 1939, the British zoned we Anioma people to Western region as a way to separate we Anioma people from our brothers in Eastern region. After all the sacrifice where Senator Ned Nwoko don't do, now this man they talk say, make Senator Ned Nwoko go back to the National Assembly. They tell them say, make they create for us Midwestern region. Say make Midwestern region get 4 states. Waiting concern we Anioma people with 4 states where they want create for Midwestern region. Make Senator Ned Nwoko go to the National Assembly say he wants make they give us Midwestern region back. What a shame. I've always said this thing that no be everybody will call themselves professor get sense. Some of them not just get self-worth. Now you talk say we Anioma people na Igbo people. Now you still dey talk say make we not join our brothers for southeast. This man not go talk say he not know the importance of Anioma State to we Anioma people. Instead of we Anioma people to carry our cross, mind our Anioma State, and make sure that we make good use of the slots that was given to us by our Igbo brothers in the southeast. Get Anioma State and join them. He there they talk say make we start to clamor for the federal government to create Midwestern region again. This professor a shameless professor. Professor without shame. Now a person he be now. Why you not go support him brother Okowa where they don't give him money to come online, can't disgrace himself? He not know say this the way they talk now. Say you go speak against them in the future. They pay you to come disgrace yourself. You come out publicly. Come they disgrace yourself. We are talking about Anioma State creation. You are talking about the creation of Midwestern region. Are you not ashamed of yourself? Okowa, your boss, thought say he wants to make Anioma State today for South. You yourself, to prove to Okowa, say you not just want the Anioma State at all. Say the money where he give you, they shack you. You talk, say, may they create Midwestern region. Make we Anioma people get Anioma State. Come dey for Midwestern region. When we were in Midwestern region, we Anioma people were clamoring to leave Midwestern region and join our brothers in Eastern region. Look at this newspaper here. On the 28th of September 1966, our traditional rulers from Anioma land were agitating for Anioma people to join our brothers in Eastern region. The meeting where they talk that thing was held in Iseluku. The Obi of Iseluku, the Asaba of Asaba, the Obi of Abo, and many other traditional rulers. They held a meeting in Iseluku community. And they concluded by saying that they want we Anioma people to join our brothers in Eastern region. That they no longer want to be in Bendel State, which is Midwestern region. And in 1991, we Anioma people left Midwestern region and we found ourselves in Delta states. When we Anioma people were in Midwestern region, we were complaining that Bini people are marginalizing us. Anioma people were being oppressed. We were being intimidated by Bini Kingdom. And because of that, we started clamoring that we want to leave Midwestern region and join our brothers in the East. This professor, you go talk say you don't know all these things. Professor Onyekpe, are you going to say that you don't know all these things? Of course you know it. But because they don't give you shut up money, you can't lose your senses. These are the truths that we say. And you will see some people saying, hey, I not get respect. See as they talk to the professor. Make senator where they represent Delta North, go National Assembly, they tell them say, may they create for us Midwestern region. What kind of stupid statement is that? Midwestern region. Midwestern region where we don't live before. Make we start to the clamor for them again. Instead of to the go front, make we they go back. Okowa, your papa say, make we dey for south. You they thought say, make we go back to Midwestern region. Midwestern region that we ran away from. You are telling us to go back there. Make we go back to Midwestern region. Which year they want create that Midwestern region? Which year they want divide those states into 2 states? Some people go just come, they talk rubbish. They're not the reason. How is this thing possible? About Bini where they talk say, you don't want to make the indigenous Igbo people where those states, which are Ibanke people and other Ika speaking communities, he no want to make them come up from those states. And some people they talk say they won't get their own states. About Bini and Bini people they talk say they will never allow such a thing to happen. Ijaw people in those states are saying that they want to have their own states. About Bini they tell them say that will never be possible. Say you no go allow such a thing to happen. So, Professor Onyekpe, are you the one to divide those states? Now you be person who want create another state as from those states? As you dey talk am easy for your mouth. The Obuzo of Ibuzo community said that Anioma state agitation started in 1939 when the British government were creating regions in Nigeria. And they marooned Anioma people to the west. He said that Anioma people were supposed to be in the east. That the boundary between the east and west is after Abudu in Edo State. And since then, Anioma people have been agitating to go back to where they belong, which is the southeast. Before Nigeria was created, we Anioma people are in the same region with our brothers in the southeast. That time, there's nothing like south or southeast. All of us now one people living in the same place. We were coexisting as brothers, family, and one people. So, as we come there for Nigeria now, you are now trying to use political boundary, state boundary, to separate we Anioma people from our brothers in the southeast. You call yourself professor of history, but your brain not go through all these places. No be say we Anioma people, they get competition for southeast. Say southeast people, they talk say they won't get other states, they won't get an state. Say there's no space for we Anioma people to join them. Nobody for southeast, they fight Anioma states. We are Igbo people, but let us not join the southeast. Let's reject the slot that the southeast gave to us. Let's start clamoring for Midwestern region. Yeah. How much they give Professor Onyekpe when make them they talk rubbish? People that are supposed to be teaching Anioma people why they should embrace Anioma state and join their brothers in the southeast. Now them they for here, they talk nonsense. Make all the suffer west in the tornado go down suffer for Anioma state creation go to waste. When we say that certificate is not intelligence, some people go think say that play. If you like carry the best certificate in the world, you are only an expert in that your study. If you get first class, that first class where you get now for that course, no be for common sense. Professor Onyekpe, anywhere where you dey now, cover your face in shame. You be professor will not get shame. You can be bought with money. If Tosoko will tell you say, make you come speak on behalf of Anioma state, say, make the zone Anioma state to the southeast. You go to say, Anioma state should be created and zoned to the southeast. All this thing where I take they teach, so now wetin you go start to dey tell your audience. Now you go see the talk say Anioma people have been agitating to join the Southeast since 1938. In 1966, Anioma people were clamoring to join the Southeast. In 1981, Anioma people were clamoring to join the Southeast. Now you go see they talk all these things with your mouth. If Okowa tell you say make you they talk on behalf of Anioma State creation and the Southeast zone, say make the zone Anioma State go Southeast. Now Okowa talk say make you speak against the Southeast zoning of Anioma State. You come out to speak against them because you be professor we not know yourself. It's very shameful. Anioma State must be actualized and zoned to the Southeast. Senator Edwoko is clamoring to give we Anioma people Anioma State. We Anioma people, we know the benefit of Anioma State to we Anioma people, and that is why we are supporting Anioma State. So, no be you, Professor Onyekpe, when not know your left to right, you where money go fit buy, go tell we Anioma people where Anioma State should be. Ishe wale.